Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now choose additional settings, keyboard and input method, keyboard and theme. Over here, tap on this plus sign under my themes and select one of those images, like that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, choose done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. Now click on apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!